Hindi mo rin, no?
Okay.
Oo, laki pala, no?
Okay, let's go pee first.
Yes. Laki pala, no? Pakit pa. It's okay. Don't shout. Lah guys. Ganda oh, sige.
Picture.
Luna, smile! Ayan. Nag-against the light siya. Pwede ba? Pwede hawak-hawakan.
Picture na picture.
Picture na kita, Luna. Luna, picture.
Magi sa amin.
Tuwa. Ay, oo nga yung monkey, oh. Magalaw. Ayun. Ay, wala, na-excite na, na-overwhelm na sila. Ang galing, no? Mahal yan. Mahal itong mga ganito. Look at the elephant, it's moving. And the alligator, oh. Hello. Luna, careful. Picture, Luna, smile. Picture. Picture. Wow. Talaga siya. Uy. Tawan-tawa. Anak, careful ah. Hindi ka nag-picture sa big big elephant. Ay, sorry. Luna, smile. Wow. Wait, there's a snake. Look at that. There's a snake. No, in the tree.
I don't know.
There, in the tree. There. Ayun na, inuubo ka na. Wag mo hawakan. Ang cute. Bakit parang totoo? Ang galing. Asan na si Sam? Luna, wala ka picture with the zebra.
Sami!
Ang galing. Ang galing, parang totoo. Ang galing. Oh my God, gagano. Luna! Smile! Big lion! Here, oh, the big lion! Wow! Ang galing ah! Wow, ang cute! Pati yung magulang natuwa eh. Ang cute! Ay, sus! Mainit. Bakit baliktad? Mainit dito. Doon sa Africa malamig. Baliktad. Ano yung binibenta ba yan? Fish? It's so cute! It looks real! Ay, grabe. Wow. Fish. Wow. Luna, picture. Picture. Ay.
Sana hindi ka picture na dun sana.
Binibidyo ko na nga lang. Screenshot na lang. Ang init.
Saan ka sa King Kong? King Kong?
Ayoko ng reptile. Ano, tuwa siya. Paano pa kaya pag totoo, Luna? Look at the grasshopper. So beautiful. Oh, Mom. Kaya nga eh. Ang cute. Picture kay Luna. Ayoko, natatakot ako pa rin. Ayoko. Natakot ako na spines. Put it back, baka magalit sila. Baka hindi pwede hawakan.
May spider ako.
Nananakot. Loka-loka ka talaga. Luna, look at the kangaroo. So cute. Tignan mo. Tignan mo yung mga gigil na gigil siya sa mga baby.
Ay, dapat picture ko.
Tuwan-tuwa na si Snake. Hello?
Download ka na.
Ew. I don't like snake. Smile. Picture. Smile. Look at the monkey. Oh. Nak, try to picture with the bears. Come on.
Snake! I love snakes! I love snakes!
Ay, picture sa mga snakes, Larry.
Ay, alis ako.
Wow, Larry, dalawa ni Luna.
Pa-picture kayo, dali.
Larry.
Kayo dalawa, oh.
Larry.
Luna. Tingin.
1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3, go.
Luna, picture ka with the bears. Ang cute ng mga bears, so gumagalaw. Family of bear. Hello?
Mami, may pockets po.
Cute. Luna, look at the monkey. Oh, hinihili niya yung ano, oh. Cute.
Right there.
Luna, picture with the bears. Come on.
Why did
Ang laki kasi ng bears.
Larry pa.
What's that? What's that?
there's a python?
Ah, may tubig talaga.
There's a python.
Picture ka with the ano?
Buhayin, Larry.
With the bear, ano? With the, ano? Ang tawag
Go
dyan?
dahil sa panda.
Panga panda. Oh, ang cute, Luna. Oh, panda.
Sa panda ni Kala ko.
Picture ka with the panda. Come on.
The pandas.
Ayan na, nasaktan na si Hillary. That's enough na. Mainit dito.
They're just baby spiders. Okay.
CR din tayo, Luna. Eh. Wow! Picture, Luna, picture. Picture there. Careful, ha? Oh, dinosaur. What's dinosaur is that? It looks like ano, no? What's that? Picture, Luna. Naku, mga dinosaur favorite. What's the dinosaur with the long neck? Luna, what's the dinosaur with the long neck? What's the dinosaur with the long neck?
Brachiosaurus?
Here, what's that?
I know
What's that?
Brachiosaurus. I know.
Okay, how about this one? What's this? Okay, how about the one that's flying? The one that's flying. How does the one that's flying? What's that?
Pterodactyl.
Very good. Oh, that's cute. Gusto niya kasi yan yung mga parang baby. Ganyan siya. Ganyan siya. Yup. Baka tayo na lang nandito, Luna.
Oo, tayo lang.
How about with the white bear? Hindi ko Oh, let's go na. Tayo na lang.